Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mazda CX-5 models. We'll explore the key differences between the two recent iterations of this popular SUV. One model year brought notable exterior styling updates, giving it a fresh look. The other introduced a larger infotainment screen, enhancing the in-cabin technology experience. Despite these changes, the core engine options and reliable performance remained largely consistent across both versions, offering a familiar driving feel. When it comes to performance, both Mazda CX-5 models offer a solid experience. They typically feature a standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing ample power for daily driving. For those seeking more exhilaration, an available turbocharged engine delivers an impressive 250 horsepower. Regardless of your choice, the driving dynamics are consistently praised for being comfortable, responsive, and engaging, making every journey enjoyable. Stepping inside, you'll find that the updated Mazda CX-5 model received a significant tech upgrade, now including a standard 10.25-inch infotainment display. Both versions come equipped with a comprehensive suite of standard safety features, ensuring peace of mind on the road. Higher trim levels in both models offer luxurious materials and advanced amenities, creating a premium feel that elevates the driving experience for all occupants. Ultimately, both Mazda CX-5 models represent excellent value, boasting strong resale value and proven reliability. Your choice will likely depend on your budget and whether the updated styling or larger infotainment screen are must-have features for you. Either way, you're getting a fantastic compact SUV. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found just for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.